Papa bi aye doctor bi senior doctor pan doctor Penny wo Tamale Teaching Hospital, the biggest hospital in Tamale. Papa no aye doctor in Bukata and I'm ne say what the doctor nisika 1.6 billion ejane it for enye jane ketwa. Answer your better so no subscribe and click the notification bell so we understand latest news bi aba wonsa ebeka. Abranti aye ka ne ho asemi edin a wodenam eye Abubakar Musa eno kan yenim if that is his real name or not. And now me know say he has gone into hiding. Abubakar edin ena waye. Wa carry ne ho e Tamale Teaching Hospital as a government official. Wa carry ne ho as obi a woye very very influential. And a lot of people actually believed him. Now, what this doctor Abranti Edenisika ejane ye say Abranti e doctor nebo say doctor no epese wo beda ne chief executive officer of Tamale Teaching Hospital. Wonu Abranti do betumi amanesi. He has people in governance. Ana aban we mu no wo nkrofo wom wo tre prover chese wo nkrofo wom. Inti doctor no won fa 3.2 billion emra na wo de 3.2 billion ba wo be ma doctor na beda ne chief executive officer. In a way obi betumi aka say we dey a bribe just for you to become a chief executive officer no sika doctor no he was willing to pay no it dey see and say na e was say doctor no we half payments because we can say sika no wo nya ni na yes but the position of chief executive officer no but we person we half payment and we half payment of 1.6 billion inti okata say one more processes no enko so na wo wi a what the rest of the payment which is 1.6 billion biom no what the beka ho na say ye hu say yes doctor no enche bia wo beda ne the CEO of Tamale Teaching Hospital what this ikanema branch and it for and then de sikane to branch and sim no and then de ya hwehwe na just say wo mo hwehwe na out of coverage area. Hey, asem penny was initially nanka bobi a wo kwa akotia say ye man the position na wakwa akotia na ebia ye disikane dwana initially na kan pa kono kra wo be fere say asem ne be ba abonten ana wo be fere say wo de asem ne kwa akoto police we nim ba bo hwe sika wo di chair out to be say ebia ebe sika wo ko bobo siania inti na wo say da bia asem we dem ntumi ntina ho wo say me ko bo police wa mane if omo ka say de na me pese me ye no bribery kra na me pese me tia kra na enya hwe ni na say Abranti ye be chi no na menya me sika 1.6 billion and na me no ka say police for try say wo mo be follower che say all attempts failed. Abranti na nkasa doctor na nkasa wo try sansan wo ko police station wo ya insisi so e ho no ka say dabi we there the last place was all the assembly called a police station and all the assembly dying police for him the Northern Regional Crime Officer your friend the Superintendent Kwabena Otio Echampon now one daily graphic for a interview and I can say yes one more year long search just say one more year search a 1 year say one more hwehwe sa branch ya your friend Abubakar Musa say me din kan kire no ebia na enye ne din kra ene Abubakar Musa no ebia na enye ne real name no obia we ye bukata say wada adamo munia mu fi say waka aban I don't know whether he took pictures or what and anything and I say acrobat why na just say one fan be ntwa picture because so itu no and fan no because some people will just take pictures with influential people on be say that ko program be influential people yi ewo no more go to pictures no more baba dada and say they are free with these people they know these people it to know say papa we the same thing no here because for obia wako school ababa dan the doctor say we be yin sika 1.6 billion e dey ama papa we nkwa it tells you say papa we actually put up a performance and he put up an image you couldn't resist image na what the two hono no there was no way you could resist into doctor wako school senior doctor kra wono kra ye de are no hey Ghana sisi ankofu de adwuma na mo kofu de adwuma nam sakawa no mo ye no sisi ambrofofo ni ate into mada ne sakawa no de aba ye mo Ghana fo ye so ngofu de adwuma nam hey enye izio into na me no ka say Musa yes he's wanted for defrauding by false pretense na omo de asem no ekodan court for him the Tamale Circuit Court na ye de asem no court no ne court hwehwe asem no eno mu hu say Musa wedi nyamransem papa e was say ye issue arrest warrants na ye ko hwehwe no ne eche nti na me no ka say police for Accra arrest warrants for Musa wo mu hia Musa e wo bebia wo beti ETF sorry for that. I'm say minya important call bi ana e was me attending to. Sorry I didn't tell you. But asem no mesremo hwe se ne Ghana aye no. He mama muninda ho. So will be the deal be a bro. Now you know this deal is too good to be true. Mesre but we need that ho. Mesremo ti asem America. Ghana you hey if people don't fear even Hossein Adoye we MPP penyi aspiring MP was also ye juma national security wo no kan obi ensuro national security wo de nanka won ti se ne bako ne ye juma wo national security ne srompo wo ye penyi wo national security o obi wo ensuro wan bohu wo ko se wo ko eden wo ko bu Hossein Adoye. This is here forget about school now wo call anyway o scammers no more bano he adwin bia wo de best scam no tie for won tie ase san go fu yi just say obi a why na just obebo kro no adwin bia wo de be ball kro no amama kai ma asem some years ago your family friend bi just say in collaborate no madam for na le parents nso ye me parents are down for chese na enya yete one area e wotema na ye nya ye nyi ye na em say oba no lady oyoba wo be sha ase se wo nom eye cocaine ni nyamanti no e ma wo fifie e na sisi a wo da street so na wo ni adwuma bia ye cocaine ni we na itu onya nkrofo bibia na we wia na wakoton lady be fie na me pe na me wo fie na satan ni ye kwa akofele gas inti ne ye the gas na ato ye gate ura ye insider ye gate na no ye the gas no ato ho se ye be kwa akofele lady ba e mete room na me hwe TV na chese mete kokoko na me ko bie no ba na okache me se o sesa ne ho e bo bebi a gas ne wona nti mesre na wo sesa ne ho sisi na chese wako me nso wo ba wo ka se wo sesa ne ho wo me fie me pese be se e bia wo sesa ne ho na me kwa akohwe ne ye de bebo me se me wepi nti me tin se wo ye kukuku e bo bebi a gas ne wono na me se lady sesa ne ho me ni so betimi se lady asia gas no e na wo di pie no di adwa ne koton dia ho trebe yo chrono 70 wo ba besia gas kesie cylinder kesie no gas cylinder kesie no lady na asia to liti so e na wo di adwa ne na se no sia de ne di pie fi ye fie ka aircon no neighbors no hu no but se ne lady na o de confidence en kono ngofo hu se dabi e bia na ye ne yasoma no later be ka se ye obi ebewi aye cylinder no ka se ye hu ababa wa no se nya wo de ade ne nam no ne ye de ye fi se na nse wo mo be ye obu kaka no wo mo nya mbofufu ni bi mo nti ye ya no mo de ye na se ne obe ye ade no wa dwen kra emba so me because na me pese me hwe na deja osi ne ho me pese meti kukuku me ko na ma ko hwe na deja no wo hu adwen a wo de BT me oba abesia mesremo ma weni nda ho will be a year way. Ube say what they assembly be bro. Ube say we they too good to be true. Now so the one ko shame because he can wom. Ube ti pa ne they walk on. Doctor Moi 1.6 billion. The Janeko. Now, as some way by no, some people in Tamale are saying that be doctor and say was say chino because the doctor is willing to pay for bribe to get a senior position, and they say they are doctor and based on his qualification. No, if you know because we are more qualified than the doctor, but doctor no are willing say we bet bribe 3.2 billion. Na your man is our position no. It's the police phone so entry doctor no, and no say man go for air can. Don't tell me your comment box no. Me that say.